Up for sale, 1972 Chevy Nova. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 72 Nova, two-tone colors, custom interior, and an upgraded drivetrain. 5.3 liter, 4L60E trans, power steering, power front disc brakes, AC, and a nut and bolt restoration. As always, I'm going to go around it, tell everything I do know about it, point at anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So we'll start here in the front as always. Love the two-tone colors on here, the maroon and the silver, and I love this choice of silver. Really, really, you know, sharp look. Custom interior, again, like I said, everything's been done on the car. Paint, interior, nuts and bolts, suspension lines underneath, chrome trim, tires. So a lot of work's been done to the car, and I got to tell you, really, really nice, well maintained. I got a little blurb inside that we'll go over. It talks a little bit about some of the further details that I'm not going to be able to remember. But the chrome, as you can see here, like new. At the same time they restored the car, you know, did the grille, bezels, whatnot, cowl hood. But anyway, there's a little touch-up right there. Hood lines up nice. Dakota digital gauges as well. You can see, you know, it has a new windshield in it at the time of the restoration. Nicely finished in here. You can see a little indent from the hood hinges. But the top of the hood's beautiful here. And then I know just right over here, two little marks on that edge. But let's pop the hood. The 5.3 liter. 5.3 liter is pushing out about 400 horse. It's got an LS2 intake. And I might as well just grab the board real quick so I can read you a couple things off of it. This goes with the car. Yada yada. It's a 5.3, like I said. It's got a 2005 5.3 liter in there out of a Tahoe, which had 67,000 miles on it. LS2 intake from a GTO. 2006 GTO harmonic balancer water pump. You can see the compressor in there for the AC. He bought a Holley accessory bracket kit, which utilizes a 2003 Corvette power steering pump, which is probably why it handles so nice. Reservoir, belt tensioner, idler pulleys, shorty headers, X-Link converter and dual electric fans with a derail temperature controller. You can see the aluminum radiator. It was a factory AC car to begin with. Now it's got this compressor, which is not fully hooked up, but it's in place if you wanted to. Brake booster, master cylinder for the power front disc brakes. Trim tag is in place. And really nice. Like, look at the finish there. Inner fender wells, inner fenders in general. You can see they're a little dusty there on this, but nice and clean back there. Firewall looks great. Newer battery. I like that they even kept the original tag here, 1972 tag. It was a 352 barrel car from the factory. I would rather have this. Really nice painted underhood. We'll read a little bit more of this later, but that was the gist of it. And anything that I totally missed, I'll have written in the ad. Tilt column as well. It's got a custom console, custom seats. Really like the console. Doesn't have a radio in it. Again, if you wanted to, you could. expect it to run, sound. Stainless steel exhaust. I'll get the key out later, I guess. Let me just... Oh, should have just done it with my right hand. Like always, we'll go down the driver's side of the car. Anything I see, I will point out. But everything like wheel well moldings are new. Trim was replaced. And I rarely see a lot of this trim replaced on cars. Let's see what this is here. A little mark in the paint right there, but it lines up nice. Down. Door lines up nice to the rocker panel all the way back. You see a couple little chips on that lower door edge, getting in and out kind of a thing. A couple little marks right there, real small. But the door lines up really nice to the quarter that you see. No bubbling on the car, no rust underneath the car. Nice beautiful mirror reflection on the building and the brick. No painted over bolts when they did it, new weather stripping. Nicely finished all the way around. And then again, they went and they did the whole interior. Door panels, they got these custom cranks in here, kind of cool. New, again, the custom seats with the headrests, with the Nova there. New carpet, the console, steering wheel, dash pad. They fit the Dakota digital gauges into the original dash, which I do like. They didn't have to molest anything to do that. Nice paint there on the glove box. It was a factory AC Nova to begin with, like I said. You don't get my coffee cup, but these are like booklets and manuals for things that they had. There's a derail, or Detroit Speed and Engineering, something, or headlight, door kit, whatever, a bunch of different miscellaneous things that go with. Let me just read this again. With the current tune, she turns approximately 400 horse. Was also upgraded. Transmission was upgraded with a Corvette servo for a crisp 1-2 shift. New lines. That's cool. Underneath, all new bushings, tie rod, idler arms, pitman arm, fronts. If you can read this. Springs, yada, 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 yada. All that was new. 99% of that. All new interior. Sound deadener in the roof. Anything that was not replaced, they were taking the work, bead blasted, and refinished. Okay, cool. Cool. He calls it Frost, Silver, and Tuscan Sun. Interesting. Back seat looks great. Again, new door panels, new cranks. There, headliner, dome light, visors, all replaced. Pillars look nice. We'll keep going. And again, no bubbles. No bubbles again, and I really like the lower body molding that they put on. Body is super straight. Again, redid the chrome bumper, the bezels, the back tail panel, new emblems all around. Trunk lines up really nice. A couple little blemishes that you see in here. There. finished in the trunk. I mean, you can see new weather stripping, beautiful finish. All in through here. Should have been cleaned better. Nice under the trunk lid. And then you look down, it's the original trunk pan, painted black. Looks great. It is definitely the original pan too, which is nice to see. Just trying to think if anything else jumps out at me as we're going. Oh, sorry, as I was pulling it up here, I must have drove over a little puddle that's bladdered. But again, no bubbles. Lines up really nice. Again, you can see the stainless exhaust. Nice in here. Really nice alignment there. You can see a little chip in the bottom of that door. There. Again, not painted over. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. 72 Nova. Finished in oh, you can see a couple little stains on the gray there. I was gonna say finished in maroon and silver. Custom interior. Upgraded drivetrain, a lot of work done to it. 5.3 liter, roughly 400 horse. 4L60E trans, power steering, power front disc brakes. You can see a couple little marks on this door edge here. But anyway, thank you for watching. You can see a little more splatter here from hitting that puddle. But anyway, thanks for watching. And we're going to fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you. Afternoon. Wow.
We got a very tight, very firm driving suspension. Handling is precise. Acceleration is precise. Braking.
Precise? Precise?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Much more advanced than the original factory car, that's for sure. That's the goal of these swaps with all the upgrades. The seats are so firm and comfortable with the console.
Yeah.
Tilt wheel, digital dash.
Wow.
Holds the road. Even when you brake. I like to make our U-turn here.
Ah, clear height.
It's got a shift kit, but
Oh, it's a quick 1-2
it's a
shift.
soft one.
It's a quick 1-2 shift, it says.
It was built very well.
Yeah.
Everything came together. It was nice.
Yep.
Alcohol, sweetheart.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh. Barry Steam. Steiner.
No rattles.
No shake, rattle, and rolls.
No loose.